Just 1 teaspoon will protect seedlings from fungal diseases. It will strengthen the seedlings and stimulate root growth. This popular spice has fungicidal and disinfectant properties. Every seedling, whether it's tomato, cucumber, or pepper, is vulnerable to diseases and pests. They can be strengthened and protected using natural methods. All you need is ordinary cinnamon. Sprinkling cinnamon on the soil surface prevents the growth of mold, fungi, and algae. Additionally, the smell of cinnamon repels pests. This will keep the seedlings safe. Fungus gnats and other flies, as well as ants, will not come near them. Cinnamon is also an excellent rooting agent. It helps strengthen weak or damaged plants. Prepare a 1-liter pot. Pour water into it. Rainwater will do. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Mix well. It will take a moment because cinnamon is hydrophobic. It doesn't dissolve easily in water. Set it aside for 12 hours. After this time, water the seedlings. The seedlings will be healthy and strong. You can also use the mixture as a spray. Strain it through cheesecloth and spray the plants. This natural method will provide the seedlings with the right conditions for growth and development.